everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change background in Alight Motion. Changing background in Alight Motion is super easy. So here's how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open the Alight Motion application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, open up the project that you are recently working on or you'd like to work on currently. Tap the Projects button and select the project, and then you will be able to see your background in the selected project. In order to change your background, tap on the Settings or the Gear button at the top right corner from the project preview page. Now, click on the Background drop-down and select the background color or the background type you are trying to use. Once you do that, you can now go back and start editing for the rest of your video. So that is how you will be able to change background on Alight Motion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.